I think this is an evolutionary process. Whenever the Law Ministry is consulted, the Law Ministry does not advise on policy. That's the domain of the Line Ministry. The Law Ministry looks at the legal implications and gives advice on legal implications. Now, of course, the Law Ministry at some point seems to have suggested that if there is an urgency, it can also be done by an ordinance. It can be done by administrative instructions. But a sustained and a sensible way to do it, obviously, is to ensure that there is legislation. Because in legislation, you can provide with a lot of features and factors that you cannot provide by a small administrative direction. And so I would imagine that's the answer. Sounder legal footing. No, of course you can even break the law and do it. But sounder legal footing is the desirable thing. But finally, the decision has to be, given the inputs of Law Ministry, a policy decision. Sounder legal footing is what we have now done. And on the sounder legal footing, even today, the final shape to the bid documents is being given. You can do a bid document without taking abundant caution and then take the risk of that document being struck down by a court. I don't think there is anything in this at all. Frankly, the CAG also has not made any comment about a delay caused by the evolutionary process in which there were discussions between the Law Ministry and the Line Ministry. I don't think that. I've read the CAG report. Frankly, there are many issues in the CAG report that, for some reason, are not being looked at. Even, in fact, the figure given by the CAG report then is qualified by the CAG saying only some of this could have been retrieved by an allotment through an auction. Only some of it, not the entire amount. Therefore, I think if you read the whole report carefully, even if you accept the report, it does not say anything like what the BJP has been claiming itself.
I want to add this.
Good afternoon, friends.